So I put it on the oven. This is the oven. I put it on the oven. And this is the soup. I crunch it up. I crunch it up very good. I crunch it up very good. Then I open the package. Then I just put it on the counter. Then I'm gonna get this. This is gonna be
that we need.
This is gonna be the
What are you talking about?
cup with like this is gonna be the measuring cup. Then I'm gonna put if I cook one of the soup, if I cook one package, I need 2 cups. Then I put 2 of water in here. Then I put 1 water, then get some more, then to a cup, and then 2. Then I put it in the sink. Then this is going to be the spoon. So I pour the soup in the pot. Then when it's all done, I take out the package for like the stuff, yeah. Then I mix it up. Then I make sure it's like little enough. Then I get the package. Then I open it. Then pour the package in the soup. Then you could just wait so the soup can get cool, or you can just put ice in it, and then you're all done.
Okay. Tell everybody your name.
My name is Adriana Marie Price. The end.